Hi friends, this is Anna Hellman with Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff. I am doing a series of videos on the new Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and we have made it to video number 3. I'm so excited about this new machine. I've had it for about a week now. It is an amazing machine with a lot of improvements. So in video 1, I talked all about the machine, all about the features of it. I showed how to use it, really covered a lot of information in that first video. In the second video, I compared Stampin' Up's previous machine, the Big Shot, to this new one. I've been getting a lot of questions about how this is different from the Big Shot. So if you are interested in that, make sure you check out my second video. In this video, I am going to answer many other frequently asked questions about this to hopefully help you figure out if this is a machine you want to add to your collection, if you might want to replace a different machine, or if you just decide you have fallen in love with this and you want to start die cutting and embossing for the first time. So let's start with question 1. Can I use any dies and embossing folders with this machine? And the answer is yes. You should be able to use any dies and embossing folders. Now, there are a lot of differences between these items from different companies over the years, different styles. So you have to make sure you use them according to the manufacturer's instructions, and you do want to use the plates that have come with this new machine. I'll talk about the warranty in a few minutes. So to protect the warranty of this machine, you do want to use our plates, but you can use any dies and embossing folders that you've gotten from other companies as long as you use the correct shims and the correct thicknesses to make that work. Question 2, can I use other cutting plates? And I just mentioned that you can use other cutting plates. They do work. I've done it, but you don't really want to risk the voiding the warranty on this new machine because it is so amazing, and if something would happen to go wrong with it, you are going to want to be able to get your replacement through Stampin' Up. Question number 3, and this was one of my questions when I got my machine. I was using it and it was slipping around on my table and it was driving me crazy. So what I figured out was there are rubber anti-skid feet on the bottom of this machine, but they had gotten dusty and dirty. I think they came that way from in the box. So you want to wipe those off. You can use your hand or a damp rag, let them dry, and that should stop it from slipping around. Question number 4. It looks similar to another machine I saw from another company. Isn't this machine exclusive to Stampin' Up? And the answer is yes. This machine is exclusive to Stampin' Up. Stampin' Up did work with another company to design the innards of this machine, but as far as the design and the features of the exterior, you can only get this machine through Stampin' Up. 5, how large is this machine? If you want information on the details of how big it is, how big the clearance is of things you can put through the machine, make sure you check out video number 2 when I compared this to the Big Shot because I cover all of that information. 6, does the machine have a warranty? And it absolutely does, just like all other Stampin' Up tools. We stand behind what we make. So this comes with a limited 3-year warranty as long as you're using it as instructed in the instructions that you will get when you get your machine. Number 7, do I need to purchase plates or other supplies to use my new machine? And the answer is no. When you order your machine, you are going to get all of the plates needed to get started with die cutting and embossing. Now, sometime soon in the next few months, we will have additional specialty plates that you can order if you like. There will be a magnetic cutting plate and embossing mats as well. You can choose to add those on if you like to, but you do not need them. Everything you need to die cut and emboss comes included with your machine. Number 8, how do I use it? How do I build my sandwich? How do I do this or that? If you have questions about how to use this machine, I really encourage you to go back to video number 1 where I talked all about it, and I will show how to build your sandwich for die cutting, embossing, 3D embossing, and show you some other things that are really helpful. I also plan to, I'm still making some more videos in this series. Videos 5 and 6 will talk more about embossing and die cutting, and I'll show you again in those videos how to use this machine. And question number 9, last but not least, is the machine really worth it? Is it really better? And this is going to be my opinion, completely. My opinion is this machine is totally better. I've shown some samples in my other videos of the die cutting and the embossing that you get from this machine on the first try without having to crank it through 5 or 6 or 8 times and move things around on the plate and do all these special tricks to make your machine do what it's supposed to do. This one does it on the first try. This one does those, cuts out those problem dies. It embosses those problem embossing folders on the first try, and I didn't have to do anything special to make it happen. So I truly believe this machine is better. I waited to tell you all about it until I had mine in my hands and I could try it out myself, because I did not want to share anything that I would not feel when I got it. I truly love this machine, and I'm so glad that I can share that with you. And I hope that at some point you will decide to try this machine out for yourself. If you're interested in ordering this, you can order it a couple of ways. Of course, you can just order it as a customer. You can find an ordering link on my blog at scrappingstampingandstuff.com. If you would like to get a discount or earn some rewards on your purchase, you can choose to order the starter kit through Stampin' Up. You will get $125 worth of products. You can choose this as part of that. You will only have to pay $99. You will get free shipping and some other fun goodies. And from then on, you'll be able to order your supplies at the Stampin' Up! Demonstrator discount. I would love to welcome you to my team if that is something you're interested in. The other option is, if you want to place an order as a regular customer, you can bump your order up to $150, and then you're going to start getting Hostess rewards. You will also get Stampin' rewards through me, and when you reach a certain level, I will send you a free stamp set of your choice. So I hope this answered your questions about the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. If you have more questions I did not answer, please comment and let me know. I would be happy to answer them. I hope you will join in with my next few videos to finish this series, and I hope you will be able to get your hands on one of these machines soon and try it out for yourself. Have a great day.